Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 3rd, The Loving Dog. Here they have given in different parts, 3 stories are there. So first is about Monica and her dog. First is Monica is scolding her dog. Monica उसके डॉग को डांटती है. He is looking at Monica. Who is looking? Dog is looking at Monica. His red wet tongue is hanging out of his mouth. Here they have told about the dog that his red wet tongue is hanging out of his mouth. You can see this in the picture that the dog tongue is out and it is hanging out of its mouth. Monica is speaking this sentence. I think the name Chewy suits you better. You chew everything you see. Monica is telling that I think the name Chewy suits you better because this dog is chewing everything, whatever he see. Lucky says woof woof. The name of the dog is Lucky. So after saying this sentence, Lucky says woof woof. Monica is speaking now. You try to chew my homework every evening and the notebooks become wet. Every evening the dog is chewing her notebooks and homework every evening and it becomes wet. So Lucky is telling that woof, looking at her face and saying woof. Monica, no, I am angry with you. After that, Monica is telling to the Lucky that I am angry with you. In last, Monica's mother is smiling and she is wiping Monica's notebook with a dry towel. So in the last, about this conversation, in the last, Monica's mother is laughing to look at Monica and Lucky, and after that she is wiping her notebook with a dry towel. Here the first story ends. Now second story begins. Here they have talked about Anandi and her mother. Anandi is drawing a rainbow. Her name is Anandi and she is making rainbow. You can see in the picture. Anandi is drawing a rainbow. Now she wants to color it. She is looking for her color box. Anandi had drawn the rainbow and afterwards now she is searching colors because she wants to color that rainbow. She cannot find it. She wants to do color but she cannot able to find the color box. So she is trying to remember where she put. After that she is not able to find that color box, so she is remembering that where she had put last time. So now then also she is not getting, so she is asking to her mother. She is taking help of her mother, that mother where I have kept last time. Anandi, I can't find my color box. I want to color this rainbow. She is telling to her mother that is, I want to color this rainbow but I am not able to find the color box. Then mother telling that look for it in your bag. उसकी मम्मी बोल रही है कि you can check your bag, that color box in the bag. Anandi, it is not in my bag. After that Anandi is replying that I have found but it is not in my bag. After that mother telling that look for it on your table. Then Anandi is telling that it is not on my table. Then mother is telling then where it is? She is asking to Anandi. Then she is asking question to Anandi. Then Anandi is telling that now I remember, I put it in Amit's bag. Amit is her brother. So now she remember that she had put her color box in Amit's bag. So Anandi and her mother are opening Amit's bag. After that they find 2 color box in the bag. They are now taking Anandi's color box out of the bag. In the last, she remembered that last time whenever she had used that color, after that she had kept in his brother Amit's bag. And after that Anandi and her mother both are finding that color box in Amit's bag. And now Anandi is taking out that color box and they are now taking Anandi's color box out of the bag. And after that she is doing color. Now here that story ends and now third story begins. Mr. Roy is looking for something under the street lamp. He is Mr. Roy and he is searching something under the street lamp. Raja sees him and tries to help him. Raja is looking at Mr. Roy and seeing that he is searching something under the street lamp. Raja is asking that Mr. Roy, what are you looking for? He is Raja and he is asking to Mr. Roy that what you are looking. Then Mr. Roy replied that I am looking for my car keys. Raja, do you think they are lying here? Raja is asking that do you think that it lie here lying means गिरी हुई है, आपको पता है कि इधर ही गिरी है. Mr. Roy, no, they are lying under the tree. He is searching on the road, but actually his car key is lying under the tree. Raja, then why you are looking for them here? Then Mr. Roy replied that, Mr. Roy, it is very dark under the tree, so I am looking for them under the street lamp. Raja is taking out a torch from his bag. He is now helping Mr. Roy to look for the keys under the tree. You can see that how foolish Mr. Roy is, that his keys fall under the tree, but he is searching under the street lamp. So after that Raja is too clever that he is helping him to find his car keys. So because of that Raja is taking out torch from his bag, and after that he is helping to Mr. Roy to find his key under the street lamp. Here they have given some MCQ. So what is Lucky doing? Who is Lucky? You know that Lucky is Monika's dog. So looking at Monica. So first answer is what is Lucky doing? So first answer what we will write? Looking at Monica. So you have to do tick mark here. Second is what is Monica's mother doing? Monica's mother is wiping her notebook with a dry towel. So here it is wiping the notebook. Who said the following? Look for it in your bag. Who is speaking this sentence? Mother. Mother is telling to Anandi. And I am looking for my car keys. Who is speaking this? Mr. Roy is searching. So he is looking for his car keys. So Mr. Roy will answer come. Who do you think Amit is? Who is Amit? Anandi's brother. Not friend, not uncle, not cousin. Anandi's brother. Here some exercise are there. So I am taking this. So you just take out screenshot of that and after that try to solve, and I am showing you that answer key also afterwards. So here what is Monica's dog name? Monica's dog name is Lucky. 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 How many boxes are there in Amit's bag? There are Amit's bag. What is Mr. Roy looking for? Mr. Roy is, you have to add is here. Mr. Roy is looking for his car keys. And here what is Anandi painting? So answer will come here that Anandi is painting a rainbow. Here think an answer I am showing you, and here help him. Answer will come help him. I am showing you that think an answer of that chapter. So wait. Here I have answer of that think and answer. You can see this. So first answer is woof woof. What do you think Lucky mean to say? By saying woof woof, Lucky mean to say sorry. All these four answer you can write it from here. Take a screenshot and try to write yourself. And I am showing you this read and answer also here. See, here it is there. So if you are not able to read my handwriting, then you write it from here. Take a screenshot of that and you write it. Okay.